Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos and I just forgot I have makeup on. Multiple haul videos from all different stores. I like to find the deals, sales, viral stuff I need, all that. So if you like shopping and stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today's going to be a Dollar Tree haul. This is going to probably be a couple stores, couple different days worth. So if you see outfit change, hair change, that's why. But this is all what I got from one store yesterday. So that's what the first part of this video will be. So grab a snack, subscribe, let's go. So the first thing I found is some more hand sanitizers. So we have the green Crayola. We have the coconut lime. These are making a comeback. So coconut lime, poppy, hibiscus, and rainbow sherbet. So I'm making a comeback. Then of course we got some cases. We got the black one, the beige yellow, I don't know what that's considered, and a green, and a pink. So great gift baskets. So then this I found again, and it's the Bite Buddy Ease the Itch Fast and Painless. I saw this at Walmart for $9.98. $1.25 at Walmart. I mean Dollar Tree. So definitely grab this. Perfect for summer. So this is great. So we have her. Then my aunt wanted some of the cat pens, so I got her some. But these are the animal pens, and they're erasable, and for $1.25 each, yeah, fantastic. So got these cute pens. Then I did pick up more of the, oh wait, no, these I've never showed, never mind, I'm talking. So we have these. These are the Little Mismatched Attach-A-Patch Starter Patch Set. You get 5 patches and 3 fabric markers for $1.25. And I love DIYing like bags and stuff. So for $1.25, you're kidding. So you get 5 patches and 3 markers. So we have this set. And then the second set is like this foodie one. And these are series 1. Yeah. For $1.25, you're kidding. I cannot believe this. Like, probably my favorite find. Like, can't believe it. So, run and grab those. Then, I just got these SpongeBob SquarePants deck of cards because I thought they were so funny. So, got that. Then, I did get more of the scrunchy little, like, fruit hair ties. I got the cherries because I think they're the cutest. So, got her. Then I needed to restock on my favorite Ioni lip plumper, and this is Plumper Gloss. There's no like name. Oh, Sheer Red, my favorite one. I needed a restock, so got her. And same, I needed a restock on my makeup correcting gel pen. These are, I still can't believe they're $1.25. These work amazing for me, so got that. Then I needed a one of the glow primers for my gift bag from my cousin, so we got that. Then we got some new stuff. So at one of my stores, it was a pack of 3 Revlon foundations for $1.25. So I was like, okay. So this is 220 is the first shade, and then 280. And then 150. So for 3 for $1.25, I didn't even care what shades were in it, but these look like one of these should work. So for $1.25, might as well. Then we got some new, finally, I found the lip balms. So this is the Be Pure lip balm for silky and soft lips, cocoa butter scented, and you get 2 in here, and this compares to the Vaseline. So you get 2 of the cocoa butter. Then we have Blushing Rose. So cute. This is my favorite one. Creamy Caramel. Like, you're kidding. Creamy Caramel. Then the last one is just Purely Smooth, no scent. So for $1.25 for 4 different scents of the Vaseline dupes literally weren't at Dollar Tree. But that is what I found at this first store, so let's stay tuned to what we find this shopping weekend. I cannot wait. Day 2 of Dollar Tree shopping. The location we went to yesterday, they honestly weren't good and really had nothing except for what I'm about to show you. So hopefully this week is better because I just haven't been finding anything this week. So I did get another one of the creamy caramel Vaseline dupes. These are so good, literally. So got her. Then I needed some new gardening gloves, and these are like the thick kind. So needed some gardening gloves. Then what I am excited for are these 3-pack of makeup blenders, and they're in the freaking little mushrooms. Like, they're so adorable. I opened a pack already, so we can see. So this is one, and they're really squishy. So 3 for $1.25. Definitely grab these. Then the last two things is the liquid rosette blush and the liquid warm rose blush. I saw Manny MUA do a whole video on Dollar Tree makeup, and he said these two were the best. So I restocked on these because I did like them back when I used them like a year ago. But so I restocked on the rosette and warm rose. So that is it from this one store. I know, not anything crazy, still enough, but you know, every Dollar Tree isn't a hit, so hopefully I get some hits this week. We'll see. We're back. Day 3, 2 new Dollar Trees. So, first off, I got more of these cat pens. These are my favorite things ever. They're just too cute, and for scrapbooking, perfect. Okay, we have these new Scento pens, and they're scented, but they have little puff balls on top. So this is blue raspberry, little puff ball. And then this is orange with a little puff ball. So you get 2 in this pack. And then I got the other set, which is green apple and strawberry. Again, the little puff ball is the cutest freaking thing. So be on the hunt for these. So cute. Then I did get more of these adhesive patches because to DIY, it's so fun with these, literally. So I just got the little foodie ones because they're fun. Then I got one holder because I have an extra sanitizer with no holder, so I needed a one holder. And then for the beach, I got hibiscus and coconut lime. I want the glitter ones to come back so bad, but got those. Then I did get more of the creamy caramel lip balm set because 1, there was only 1 more left. 2, these are so good. I cannot believe how good these are. So I got the creamy caramel. Then the last thing from the store is finally I found the Pacific Nights. I never found this one. I found Amber Rose, Brazilian Mist, and the other ones, but never Pacific Nights. So I was so excited to finally find this one. So we got her, and I use this as a room freshener, air freshener, like deodorant, I mean not deodorant, perfume. So we got her. So that is it for my 4th store of this week. So hopefully we find some more goodies, or this might be the end, who knows, but we'll. Alright, this is the last store of this video. This was one store, so we're finishing it off with these items. So haven't found a ton. I don't know what's up with Dollar Trees. Anyway, so we got this goop, and it is stain remover. Great for washable fabrics and more. Hand cleaner. Multi-purpose, no water needed. Original cream formula. So, oil and grease, dirt and grime, stains and more. Cleans dirty, greasy hands and removes stubborn laundry stains from washable fabrics. So you can put this on your hands to get stuff off, or your clothes, and for $1.25, this is a steal. So we got this. Then, finally, I found the Hot and Cold Color Changing Reusable Pack Eye Mask by TheraPearl. So this is where we got the ice pack from before, but now it's an eye mask, which this summer I have a feeling it's going to be brutally hot. So I cannot wait to use this at night, so we got her. Then I did need a new gunk getter, and I wanted to try the pink one this time because I had the blue. So now we got the pink one. I need to clean my keyboard so bad. Hence, I got lens cleaner wipes. I haven't been able to find these in forever. So got this because my laptop screen is so nasty right now. So got those. Then got the animal pens and the pig, panda, and koala. I think that's a koala. Or bear, whatever it is. Got these for my journal. Then we have some new pens. So these are scented pens and highlighter. So this is strawberry, so you get a highlighter and a pen. So this is strawberry scented. This one's blueberry scented. And then we have grape. So these are the 3 scents that I found of the new scented gel pens and highlighters. I love scented stuff, so I'm excited for those. So then these are new. They're little trinket boxes, and they're okay. We got from the Princess Fairy Tale collection the little makeup bag, and I got this one because it had Snow White on it, and I love Snow White. And also it comes with this phone piece. But yeah, I got this one only because it was the only one with Snow White in it. But yeah, for $1.25 for little princess makeup bags, it's a pretty good deal. So then, okay. Then I did get 2 cases because I have 2 loose sanitizers that I needed a case for. So I just got 2 cases. So then the glass nail files are back, and I cannot hype these up enough. I love these things. So this is going in my purse. Speaking of nail files, this is a new one. Vitamin E infused nail file. Thicker natural nails. 320 grit by Be Pure. So I'm excited to try this actually. Then had to do my favorite restock of my favorite green Ioni color changing lip balm. And this is going in a gift basket, but it is the sweet caramel, creamy caramel scented Be Pure lip gloss, chapstick. Then I did find one Beauty New by Be Pure. Or no, this is Global Beauty. No, this is Spascriptions. Wow, Spascriptions Fruit Glow Kiwi and Acrylic Acid Facial Polish. So yeah, this is definitely new. So we have her, and that's all I found from that was just the face polish. So I'm not mad about it, which I could go really good with the Kiwi chapstick from Dollar Tree. Hopefully I find more of the collection. But that is all for this video. I know it wasn't a whole lot of new finds, which, whatever, Dollar Trees aren't going to be hits every time. But hopefully this coming week I will be able to score some good finds for you guys. But yeah, don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for, and definitely don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you guys in my next video.